Hi everyone, I just thought I'd do a really quick snapshot of the Canva banners that we have, whether it's a welcome banner or whether it's a ranking banner, it makes no difference. So I'm just going to share my screen here. So the first thing you do is go into the LiveGood International Power Team. You click on this search bar here and just click that, type in Canva, and then down on this blue link, you click Canva and they'll all come up for you. Doesn't matter whether it's the welcome banner or whether it's a ranking banner, you just need to click that blue link and it comes up here for you. So what happens is when you've done that, you actually go to Canva and you upload the image that you want to use of the person. So I'm just going to use one that I've already got here. So the first thing I need to do is click on this once, only once, and you don't drag it, you don't move it. You literally click on it once and then hit delete. That circle should show up and there is absolutely no need to move that. So it's just very simple. Then I click on uploads here and I click on a picture that I want. Now it will always land in the middle of the page. So don't be concerned by that. All you need to do is hold your left mouse click down and drag it and it will automatically, see how it positions itself automatically in that circle. That's already centered, so you don't need to do anything with it. Then with the name, you click on the name and you just highlight it all and cover it. And you can just type the name in here of whatever the person's name is. And it's that simple. Everything on this is locked except for that, so it shouldn't be an issue. Then you click on the share button up here, click on download and click on download. Now, it doesn't matter whether it's a PNG or a JPEG file. They do suggest it's PNG. Click on download and it will automatically download to wherever your downloads go to. Mine go to my desktop and that's all you need to do. Then you just literally close that tab down. That's all you need to do any of the banners on Canva. So I just want everyone to know that it's that simple. It's literally 3 or 4 clicks and it's done. Thanks.